Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we will learn how to go incognito on Google Chrome on Android. This is very useful but simple and easy. So let's follow me how I can do it. Now open Google Chrome on your device. Now tap on three dot menu that is located on the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on new incognito mode. See here, after tapping new incognito tab, now you are on here. Now you are gone incognito mode. If you use Google Chrome here, Google Chrome will not save your browsing history, cookies and site data information entered in form. See another option, your activity might still be visible to website you visit, your employer or school, your internet service provider. And you can see another option, block third-party cookies. You can turn it off or you can turn it on. If you turn it on, when it on, sites cannot use cookies that track you across the web. Featured on some site may break. That's it. I hope you understand this process. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.